It's your girl Drea in Drea's Domain. Hey! Alright, this is my hair a few minutes later after I put the reconstructor in. Okay, see my little natural curls. Look at the back. The back is so like wavy compared to the front. The front is like thicker. But whatevs. Time to wash. Alright, so here I co-washed my hair with mane and tail herbal grow conditioner, and then I put aphogee keratin 2-minute reconstructor in, and I let that sit for a few minutes, and now I'm washing the reconstructor out. I already washed the conditioner out, so that's what I'm doing right now, just washing that all the way out, just with some cool water, you know, since it's conditioner and whatnot. And now I'm going to move on to the next. So here I'm putting in leave-in conditioner next. This is aphogee curlific moisture rich leave-in, and I'm putting that in my head right now, just spraying it all over. I got this for $7.99 at the beauty supply store, and I'm just spraying it in all evenly everywhere. Get that afro nice and ready for this conditioner. You're gonna get conditioned today. And then I'm just brushing out all my kinks and whatnot. It looked like it hurt, but it honestly don't hurt. Like when my hair is wet, brushing this all out is no big deal. I'm just gonna keep brushing till I get all of those kinks out. So next I'm gonna grab this Cream of Nature curl repair leave-in, and then I'm gonna seal it with my curl sealer. So after I put in the Cream of Nature leave-in, I'm gonna put the curl sealer in right after. So it's gonna be all over my head, all over the parts and stuff. When I put all that product in, that's what I'm putting in, and then I will twist it. Once it has both of those products in it, then I will begin to twist. So once again, I'm just going to take a glob of that Cream of Nature leave-in, and then I'm going to grab a glob of that Taliah Waajid curl sealer, and I'm going to put both of those products in. See, that's the Taliah Waajid, and then I'm going to put both of those in, make sure it's saturated in nice and even. See, look at my curl pattern over there. My curl pattern is so cute. That's why it's so hard for me to let this hair go. Like the back, hello, how you doing? Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna twist, and don't forget to curl it at the end with your finger. Do a little twirl, twirl. And then I'm just gonna continue the same thing throughout my entire head. I already have the product saturated in this whole section, so I'm just gonna continue to twist, and just get the other side and twist. So now I'm just gonna be putting my hair into small sections, separating the rest of the hair, putting that up in a ponytail so I can really make sure that I brush out all these sections and get all the kinks out. Then I'm going to continue to put that product into each of these sections, the leave-in and then the curl sealer, and then I'm going to continue to twist after I get all of those kinks out. And it's just a little bit of a process here, so you'll see. All right, look at those curls. You see those curls? Yes, honey. So here I'm just getting to the end of all of my twists. I'm working on the last couple of ones right here. And my hair is still wet right here, but my twist, I'm finished twisting right about now. I'm going to show you how it all looks once it's all done. It's still wet, it has the product in it, but I'm done with all of the twists. Here's the back, shake, 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 what your mama gave ya. Yeah, I got a little something, a little bit of hair, you know, young, like little something. Shake, 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 shake what your mama gave ya. Yeah, but yeah, shake, 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 like a sock shaker. It's cute or whatever, you know. That's cute. Alright, so I went to sleep. I woke up the next day. Here's my hair. It's all dry. There's my boyfriend in the back. I've got my oil out because you need to definitely put some oil on that hair so it won't be so dry and frizzy when you're done. And I'm just putting that oil throughout my hair as I'm taking out all of the twists individually and making sure my hands are oiled down so that each section can get a proper amount of oil, so it will be fully oiled once I'm finished taking out all of these twists. So here I'm just about done taking out all of the twists. You can see it has a little crinkle of a curl to it. Here's the back. The back is longer than the front, so I don't want to hear no comments about that. I know I need to cut my hair, but I didn't feel like doing it today. That's for another day. But yeah, I'm taking out the last few that I missed, making sure that they're all out. So that's me just taking those extras out that I somehow missed the first time around. Alright, so now my hair is all taken out. It's all done. Here I'm just stretching it out some. All of those pieces, you know, breaking apart all of the twists. But I'm going to style it because I never leave my hair out like this. Because, yeah, my hair is uneven. So I'm going to style it. I'm going to put most of it up in a ponytail and, well, a poof, because it's not going to be tight or anything. So it's going to be up in a poof, and I'm going to leave a little curly bang out for this look. And this is just something fast, something quick. So I'm not even going to bother to do my edges. I don't always feel like I need to do my edges. You know, it's a natural look, and that's how I wanted it. That's the look I wanted to go for today. So I did not do my edges in this video. And I just pull it all up so I can have a curly poof with a curly bang. And I'm gonna be cute. Oh, look at that, look at that. You see how easy that was? That was so easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I'm just pulling it out to my liking, styling it, profiling it. Okay, girlfriend. Natural face. You cute, mama. And here I have a few pictures. So I also put my makeup on real quick just to show you guys how I look with my makeup. And the look is complete. Curly poof, curly bang with a twist out. It can be done. It's not that hard. If I can do it, you can do it. Peace.